Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to view badges in YT Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your badges in your YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone, and after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you land over here with a bunch of options where you can see the badges options available for us. Tap on the badges option just of the switch account, and on this interface all of your badges from your YouTube as well as a YouTube Music app will be available over here. Since I don't have any badges currently, there is no badges available, but in your case all of your badges will be available over here on this interface. And with that being said, guys, this is how to view your badges in YT Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.